Learn present tense through past tense in Igbo language and their meanings. Present tense, past tense. The first word is horo, choose. Horo, choose. Past tense of horo is horo, choose. Horo, choose. You can see that here we have double O in horo, past tense. Then in present tense we have choose, double O in choose. So past tense of choose, you see that we have only one O in choose. That is choose. Then here we pronounce it longer, choose. Second word, J. J means go to. J, go to. Past tense of J is jere, went to. Jere, went to. Jeruo, get to. Jeruo, get to. Past tense of jeruo is jeruru, got to. Jeruru, got to. Jeruo is different from J. Jeruo means reach the actual place. Reach the exact place. That is jeruo. Make sure you reach the exact place. That is the meaning of jeruo in Igbo. While J is just go to. Maybe go to market or go to any place. Juo, ask. Juo, ask. Past tense of juo is joro, asked. Joro, asked. Jide, hold or catch. Jide, hold or catch. Past tense of jide is jidere, held or caught. Jidere, held or caught. Maybe to hold someone doing something or to catch someone. Jekwuru, go to meet. Jekwuru, go to meet. Past tense of jekwuru is jekwuru, went to meet. Jekwuru, went to meet. You can see that here we have double u, making us to stress the word u, jekwuru. Another one is ju, fill up. Ju, fill up, maybe to fill a tank with water. Past tense of ju is juru, filled up. Juru, filled up. Another one is jo. Jo means reject. Jo, reject. Past tense of jo is joro, rejected. Joro, rejected. You can see here, this one is ju with no dot under. This u, no dot under. While jo is with dot under. So take note of it. They are not the same thing. Kabuo, cancel. Kabuo, cancel. Past tense of kabuo is kaburu, cancelled. Kaburu, cancelled. Another one is ke. Ke means tie. That is to tie something. Ke, tie. Ke, tie. Past tense of it is kere, tied. Kere, tied. So all these are some of the examples of present tense and the past tense in Igbo language and others. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Bye.